Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off green dot on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy, and after this you can now tap on settings here, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you can see the option active status. Tap on it and make sure that you disable this option, and it is a way you can turn off green dot on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.